SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which truly is very critical. SLP especially faces our position at $0.003, which sort of is very critical. Smooth Love Elixir especially is as of now esteemed at $0.003 backing for the basically bears in every practical sense, has been laid out at $0.00308 October 2023. In this video we'll truly walk you through truly Smooth Love Mixture cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, sought clarification on some things, facts, what basically is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for genuinely Smooth Love Mixture, generally is SLP a very wise speculation, which for the most part is very critical. Smooth Love Elixir support and opposition levels and so on, which essentially is very critical. However, prior to jumping profound into the SLP specialized examination, essentially let us fundamentally discuss the for the most part current economic situations in a very significant manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,092,101,741,765, amazingly. The especially all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $17,412,615,578, which generally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, which really is genuinely huge. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04% in a sort of significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, showing how the really all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $17,412,615,578 in an especially large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time period, which in every practical sense is very huge. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP explicitly, is somewhere around 0.54 and as of now exchanging at 52 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market basically is going in a truly descending bearing for commonly present moment, showing how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,092,101,741,765, which truly is genuinely huge. Right now, an especially broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth Love Mixture backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to by and large distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Showing that very Smooth Love Elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route in an especially huge manner. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers sort of become most certainly more by and large dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any truly further in every way that really matters, enormous way. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which dealers certainly become move certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in a very enormous manner. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of truly Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, fundamentally Smooth Love Mixture execution. The sort of day-to-day outline of genuinely Smooth Love Elixir especially shows that the SLP cost really has in every practical sense descending development with a 1.18% diminishing in especially beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how as of now a sort of broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in every practical sense, significant way. The value worth of the Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, coin sort of is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, showing how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars, or so they sort of thought. Smooth Love Elixir Value Examination SLP Cost Examination for 08 October 2023, inside an everyday time span, basically made sense of beneath, so SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline in an unpretentious manner. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every way that really matters, straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the very smooth love mixture. Showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, showing how the especially all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $17,412,615,578 in a genuinely significant manner. The genuinely relative strength record, RSI, shows that the SLP coin especially is close oversold zone, as RSI generally is a 34 in a fundamentally huge manner. The MACD line explicitly is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to especially sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram. Pretty further appearance how Smooth Love Elixir truly is buy esteemed at $0.003 backing for the especially bears explicitly has been laid out at $0.003 08 October 2023. In this video we'll walk you through extremely smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these often most certainly sought clarification on some things, facts, what basically is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for exceptionally smooth love mixture, most certainly is SLP a truly wise speculation, which by and large is genuinely critical. While SLP's Williams %R marker sort of is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange truly signal in a real sense is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense shows that right now, a fundamentally broad all things considered, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is genuinely huge. As per the ordinary turn, the pivotal prompt opposition for SLP may sort of be in a real sense found at $0.003, explicitly followed by $0.004, so the MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the sort of sign line after a hybrid in a very significant manner. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency help levels basically were situated at $0.003 and afterwards